We are here in Warsaw in Poland today, and we have invited a bunch of Polish journalists to have the official launch of RamBase into the Polish market.
It's very important for us to inform production and wholesale distribution Polish market players that we are here, and we have a very strong customer value proposition, a very strong message in order to help their businesses to step into the new business era and simply help them to build the business in modern and effective way.
Business today is international. And companies have a global supply chain. They also treat the whole world as its market. We have also chosen to do our growth through what we call an indirect channel. We have a partner strategy, and that's why we have also brought Italics and IT Vision with us here today. Local people on the ground know the local market best. Language and habits, and they are different in the different countries, and we believe that our greatest chance of success is through those local partners. Our system is always on. We guarantee 99.9% availability because we don't take down the system to do upgrades. There's only one version of RamBase, and that's the current one. All customers are on the same version, and that's the newest and current release. Companies can go in at a quite low level and they can grow with it without having to re-implement and change the system too much.
We have a lot of strong arguments why RamBase is going to enter Polish market and do it effectively with a big success. So it's definitely the right time to do it, and we know how to attract the Polish market together with you guys.